Hi everyone, it's me Joe, and today I was inspired by my pumpkin. I bought a pumpkin and my mum was telling me horror stories about a pumpkin we had when I was a baby going rotten because it was above some sort of central heating thing, and I freaked out about cutting out a pumpkin. So I thought, how do I give a pumpkin face without having a pumpkin chopped up? So I thought, weave glue. Weave glue is my favourite thing in the world, apart from the smell. It smells like a bad few things, if you will. Weave glue is 3D latex and you get it in black. So I used black latex and glitter on Mr. Pumpkin, and then I thought, what the hell? And then my friend Sarah was saying she was going to do someone's makeup as a pumpkin. So I was like, well, why don't I do like an orange glamorous eye, give me a little bit of weave, because I haven't worn this weave for a while, and then maybe a little bit of a spooky pumpkin mouth. So I've become Mr. Pumpkin's wife. We're soon to be divorced. He's going to be on the street. Yeah, I'm going to turn this bitch out, if you will. Alright guys, well, it's so easy to follow along. It's just a pretty simple cut crease with glitter and latex, and you can do this with face paint and black lipstick if you didn't have latex. Latex just makes it hold on a little bit better and it will stay on throughout the night. Also, it's slightly 3D, so when you're in photographs it will sparkle a little bit more. Alright guys, well, thank you so much for watching. It's amazing doing these Halloween tutorials this year. I'm so excited about them. Please stay watching and give me a thumbs up right now. Thumb me up while I thumb Mr. Pumpkin. So I've started with a glowy face, and I want to put some highlight on the cheek, but I can't quite find the one I want at the moment, so I'll find it in the tutorial. I'm going to start doing my eyebrows, and I'm going to be using a concealer to give quite a refined and precise eyebrow today. So I'm going to use MAC Chromographic Pencil in orange, I think it is. Is it just called Chrome Orange? Genuine Orange, as opposed to Liar Orange. It's a bit weird. Right, now I want to do one of my old style... Whoops! My Facebook is so loud, that noise, I need to turn it off. So I'm starting in the bridge of the nose and we're connecting to the nose contour. We're really sculpting the crease. Feels so weird because I haven't done a look like this since I had my eye done. Because before I used to do this look all the time because it pulled my eyes into the same shape. But I've had my eyebrow lifted, which pulled my eye symmetrical. So I don't do looks like this anymore, and I've gone more to the kind of natural area because now I can. So I'm gonna cut up like this, and I'm really going to jiggle this up into a triangle. Do we see? Is this showing on camera because the orange is so neutrally orange? Right now I'm going to go under, and I'm really going to start colouring in the under area, and then I'm going to use a second line, so these aren't connected. So we're going old style JH today. I'm going to be using this orange eyeshadow in the middle by MAC, and I'm using this to overlap what we've done. No, I've never done this look with real eyebrows because I used to draw my eyebrows every day, so it's a new one, but it looks quite cool so far. So I'm going to be using Love Plus, which I think is the red by Sugar Pill. I'm using this to graduate. I'm I'm going to be using this kind of blush, and that was one that I actually made, so it's one of my own products. And I'm going to use this in the under eyebrow highlight. And just around. A little bit into the nose contour there. And then I'm going to take this just under the eye, like here. I'm going to add some liner. This is my liner from eBay. And I'm going to go under the lashes. To about there. Now I'm going to do the tops. I'm going to draw in, extend down, so let's start working on the mouth. So my pumpkin is very, very evil. I'm looking at a couple of pictures of pumpkins, and I think I want to do more of a kind of Jack the Ripper smile. So I'm going to use my mouth and just go like that. Okay. So I want to kind of give this illusion of like teeth, so I'm going to randomly just go like this. So I thought I was recording, but apparently I was not. I'm using black latex glue, and I'm applying this kind of haphazardly over this smile that I've kind of drawn on. Grabbing some black glitter, I'm using the other end. Now you can use your finger or you can use a brush that you don't need anymore. I'm going to use my finger. Now the basis of the 3D kind of glitter is on. We're going back to our face paint. I'm using Snazaroo and a small brush. And we're going in and we're really, really sharpening the teeth off. So I've just coloured in this lip. Now I'm deciding how much more glitter I want, because this will look amazing in night lights, running on the street, doing fabulous things on Halloween, trick-or-treating and all that jazz. Very easy to do as well. So the next step is I'm going to add eyelashes, and I have an eyelash tutorial already, so I'll put that on the screen here and I'll show you the finished look. So here is the finished look. I've just put a little bit more glitter into the glue and added a little bit more and some lashes. And I'm giving evil pumpkin realness. I think it's fabulous, and it's a great way of tying in a Halloween theme but also still looking pretty, because I know a lot of these looks are very unpretty, and I've shown you lots of different ways of doing Halloween makeup, but I thought this one's a cute way of tying in a glamorous eye with a spooky, scary but glittery mouth. I've got some scary, spooky, dooky ones coming up, and I thought, why not do a pretty one to begin with, I guess. Get the pretty ones out of the way, and then we can go ham later on. Alright guys, well, if you're new, subscribe, and if you're not, give me a thumbs up. Well, give me a thumbs up either way, bitches. Or find me on Facebook in the links below. I'll pop another Halloween video here, my podcast, My Best Friend's Here, and subscribe on the giant face.